Have you ever heard of Ariel? They make the Atom, which is a lightweight, high-performance street-legal car with a sexy exoskeleton structure. Basically, it's a go-kart for the street. After much demand, they turned their attention to the dirt and created an off-road version called the Atom Tactical. You might not be aware, but there's an underground movement of creating go-karts out of street-legal cars. Typically, people start with a Corvette or Miata, but really, anything with decent handling works. Initially, everything the car doesn't need to run is removed: body panels, AC seats, hood, roof, basically everything. Then the builder adds a full roll cage and everything needed to make the cars awesome. These extreme weight reduction efforts will yield supercar power-to-weight ratios on a small budget. Not everyone has the skills necessary to weld up a full roll cage and create a fantastic go-kart-like vehicle, so we wanted to highlight the Ariel Atom. These are turnkey vehicles that can be registered for the street. But as we started creating this video, we couldn't help but get sidetracked by the Tactical. It's basically a street-legal dune buggy, so we had to share it. So what makes the Ariel Tactical so unique? Well, for starters, it is unique. The car's exoskeleton roll cage is definitely its most striking feature and is designed to provide high rigidity in a low-weight chassis. Each one is hand-built. This gives the owner the ability to customize pretty much anything they want. Finally, Ariel's focus on driving enjoyment is the last key ingredient that makes the Tactical so unique. Excellent power-to-weight ratio, an immersive driving experience, great road and handling feedback, and simple controls make for an invigorating driving experience. Initially a purpose-built British car, Ariel now has a North American arm. The Atom Tactical and all the Ariels in the US are hand-built in Virginia. The Atom is not your typical assembly line vehicle. As a part of the ownership experience, you can go to the factory, meet the team, and talk about customizations on the production floor. When did you hear anyone go onto the Lamborghini factory floor to tell the builders they wanted green seatbelts instead of red? That's just cool. I know we just said that you can go onto the production floor and make changes, but there are some limitations. The driveline of the Tactical is pretty set. A K24 Honda engine backed by a 6-speed manual provides a robust combination that should always be ready. This combination provides 230 horsepower that can propel the 1,700-pound Tactical to 60 in 3.5 seconds. There's a ton of information and specs on what is and isn't included. We aren't going to bore you with the nitty-gritty details, but it is safe to say these rides are well equipped and stout. But all of that does come at a price. When comparing the Tactical to a supercar, the price is very reasonable, but these aren't really supercars, are they? Prices start at $92,000 for the Tactical, which isn't chump change. These lightweight, high power-to-weight ratio, purpose-built designed rides are unique in a world of plug-in hybrids and high-riding crossovers. The Tactical serves a niche where drivers want to feel connected to their surroundings in a reliable, go-anywhere dune buggy type of vehicle. Being able to have a low-slung, high-potency, unique vehicle that can handle dirt roads and trails is something that continues to gain more enthusiast interest. Pair that with a reliable Honda powertrain and supercar exclusivity and customization, and Ariel has a winner on their hands. Your friends with their new 911 Dakars aren't going to use them for their intended purposes, and that's the point. The Atom Tactical does not allow the driver to escape because they're in a purpose-built car that encapsulates the environment. Do you even know how much it will cost to fix the paint on a 911?